where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls. Where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action, into that haven of freedom. My Father, let my country awake.
Greetings from the Berries Academy of Learning. Among the innumerable blessings God Almighty bestowed on us, I believe the opportunity to run number of institutions is something we really cherish upon.
We as a family, we come from a education background where my late great grandfather was a teacher. We at BIT and BEADS are looking at creating a world-class technology campus.
We have civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, computer science and engineering in undergraduate, MTech, mechanical machine design and computer science and engineering, mechanical engineering and physics in PhD program, diploma in civil engineering and mechanical engineering in the BIT Polytechnic. We focus mainly to give a wide exposure to the students in various fields of engineering to meet the global standards and industry challenges.
In today's world, technology is the key, and being from the computer science and engineering department, we primarily concentrate on building technologies, learning technologies and understanding it.
We have to apply that knowledge. Whatever the theory should be applied, then only for that knowledge there is a value. We are doing that one.
The Department of Basic Science has the mission to feed the students with the finer aspect of science.
The department is one of the best department in this region, both in terms of the placement and the results.
We implemented best practices like project-based learning, and we are conducting weekly exams for the students. And our campus laboratories are developed to the extent of NBA requirement. NBA accreditation is the highest degree of accreditation considered by UGC and AICTE.
The college has well-equipped studios, classrooms, seminar hall with the projector facility, and also apart from this, the institution has a well-stocked library with all the titles prescribed by the VTU.
We are going to set up a state-of-the-art robotics lab. We have plans for e-learning facility and most modern library.
Being in real estate for over 3 decades, and architecture is always been my passion. So I give a great deal of importance to our BEADS.
We are on top of a plateau with its vast expanse of openness, overlooking a meandering river. We have a green cover all around. So I think we could not ask for anything more in terms of the location. At the macro level, we are in a fast emerging educational hub which is centered around Mangalore University.
This college focuses on overall personality development as well as makes us understand about the current scenario of the world.
Entrepreneurship refers to the individual's ability to turn the ideas into products and services to address the challenges of the society. Many of our students are employed across various places of the globe, and many of them have started their own industries and startups.
We always hunt for talent. We offer up to 100% scholarship for the meritorious and deserving students.
We give extra care and extra training for sports, arts as well as culture.
We have a full-fledged sports ground, Berries Arena at our campus.
In a leading engineering college, we need to have even a matching kind of play facility. We profess something in classroom as to what sustainability is. It was a kind of a challenge for us in terms of, demonstrating that. I think it has been a very satisfactory kind of experience in terms of doing a project like this.
We also have BIT Art and Culture Club, wherein students will get a right platform to expose their talents.
The BIT is an institution which provides outstanding opportunity for higher learning. We have very good infrastructure facility,
faculties and laboratory, library, everything. It's a green place, so it encourages our studies. We are very free to learn.
To become a leader, you require clarity of mind. And to have clarity of mind, you need to have purity of heart. That is where the purity of heart and clarity of mind has come as a motto of Berries Institute of Technology. We not only make sure that you become a good engineer, we also ensure that you become a responsible, sensitive global citizen. I personally welcome every engineering and architecture aspirants to join BIT and BEADS. We ensure your success.
Where the mind is without fear and head is held high.
Where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments.
By narrow domestic walls.
Where the words come out from the depth of truth.
Where the tireless striving stretches its arm towards perfection.
Where the clear stream of reason
has not lost its way
into the dreary desert sand of dead habit.
Where the mind is led forward by thee.
Into ever-widening thoughts and actions.
Into that heaven of freedom, my Father,
let my country away.